computer on there. I don't know what settings on it.
Well, that'd do it.
I need to do it now because I need to get through. Hey,
I ain't gonna tell y'all what's going on. Feel like a little work. What's going on, Chris? Combine been asleep all day while we weren't working. The young fella there has been helping a little bit over there. What's going on, Chris? We in the piece of zip tie, y'all. We got something going there. You know, we got a little low parts of it. Fella there ain't been much help. A little bit. We're getting ready to try to crank his zip tie up. I'm setting in it, y'all. Still got little pieces to put together, a few little pieces, you know what I'm saying? But we coming. Getting ready to fire it up. Make sure we got some power. What's going on, Katie? What's up, Kevin?
that black paint hit most that charge stuff, didn't it?
Yeah. You can still see where it's burning right there. Look at this thing shot me when I touched this over here. Turtle? Yep.
He ain't hooked nothing.
I don't know, but something shocked me just then.
He ain't hooked nothing.
Why would it shock me, you reckon?
Static. You got too much energy.
Let's try to fire it up. You ready?
Hold up, let me check these settings.
What's going on, Frank? What's going on, Victor? Michael. Well, we ain't always. Man. Combine, you busting gas or what, son? Is that you? No. I think, like I said before, I think that's a Dice Colony one. What's going on, John? What's up, Wayne? That fellow there back there has texted every girl in the United States while we worked on zip tie.
32 or 34? 32?
32? 32 degrees sound good to me. What's up, Glenn? Cito. What are you doing, Mama?
And he got a phone to take nobody.
We in zip tie. We getting ready to
Flip on.
getting ready to fire it up.
I'm gonna start recording.
I don't know. What do you think? About 8 or 10 degrees? 10 degrees. What's going on, Michael? What's up, Travis? Chris? George? Hopefully we'll get. I got a lot more work to do while Combine Turtle and watches me. Then we'll get it over to the paint shop. The young fella here, he's been helping me a little bit, you know. Why does us old fellas have to do all the work and them youngsters don't get to do much of nothing? What's going on, Victor? We're getting ready.
We the newer millennium.
Getting ready to fire it up right now. I figured, what do you think, about 78, 8,000? What's up, Brandon? Victor? It took about 3 or 4 Novas to build this one back. One out of my mama's house. We bought one. We secondhand borrowed one.
What was left of zip tie?
Yeah. Then we took all the leftovers of zip tie and made this one. A little charcoal. Man, that thing shocking me, Turtle. I don't care what you talking about. That thing done shocked me twice, man. I don't care what it is. Something hooked up to it. It done shocked me twice.
He ain't hooked another nowhere.
Not short.
Something working. I'm telling y'all, ain't that
Credits
crazy?
electricity.
What's going on, Kelly? We ready to fire it up?
Y'all gonna make me quit wiring this card up one day.
Man, I'm colorblind. Let's fire it up. Ready? Timing up, a little low there, a little low. What's up, George? What's going on, Brandon? Frank? Victor. I know what it is. Midget's car over there. She better not move. I'm gonna gap her with zip tie. Ready? Talk to me.
I look like Carp.
Ready?
Right in.